Have you ever felt tired from trying to keep up with others? You look around and suddenly, everyone else seems to be moving faster than you. They appear happier, more successful, more confident, more loved. You see their lives shining, and what you have starts to feel small. You ask yourself, what's wrong with me? Why am I not like them? When will it be my turn? Comparison is a quiet kind of suffering. It doesn't scream, it whispers. It convinces you that your life is behind. It steals the joy from your achievements. And slowly, you lose connection with yourself. But the Buddha once said, do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Because when your mind is busy watching someone else's life, you forget to live your own. Take a slow breath. Bring your focus back to your heart. This moment is yours, not theirs. And the truth is, the only person you are meant to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Comparison is an illusion created by the mind. You see only a single moment of someone's journey, and you call it the whole story. You compare your behind the scenes with their highlight reel. But every path in this world is different. The lotus blooms in muddy water. The pine tree thrives in icy mountains. Neither envies the other. A candle never compares itself to the sun. It simply shines. And so should you. Whisper softly to yourself, I release comparison. My path is unique. I am exactly where I am meant to be. We all want to be liked. We all want to be seen, appreciated, respected. It's human. But when your happiness depends on what others think, your peace becomes fragile. You begin to shrink yourself. You silence your truth. You shape your identity around approval. And slowly, you abandon your own needs. The Buddha taught that suffering comes from attachment. Seeking approval is one of the strongest attachments we hold. The moment you start validating yourself, not through others' eyes, but through your own, you become free. You can place your hand over your heart and say, I no longer need permission to be myself. I approve of me. Everything changes. Success changes. Happiness changes. Bodies change. Fortunes change. Seasons change. This is impermanence, anicca, one of Buddhism's core truths. So why compare yourself to something that is constantly shifting? Life is not a race. Some people bloom early, some bloom late, but every flower still blooms. Trust the timing of your life. In this breath, feel the gentle reminder, I trust my pace. I trust my unfolding. I trust that I am not late. Your attention is your power. Wherever your attention goes, your life follows. So when your eyes are always on others, your life leaves you. Mindfulness is the practice of coming home to the present. When a comparison arises, don't fight it. Simply notice it. There is comparison. There is fear. There is insecurity. Thoughts only have power when you believe them. Let them pass like clouds drifting across the sky. And gently remind yourself, my mind is my sanctuary. I choose peace. The world often tells you that life is a competition, that you must have more, do more, win more, be more. But the Buddha reminds us, life is not for competing. Life is for awakening. Every person you envy carries invisible burdens. Every success you see has pain beneath it. We are all climbing different mountains, at different speeds, with different storms. What is meant for you will never pass you by. Honor your journey, honor your growth, honor how far you've already come. You are not behind, you are becoming. Comparison says, I don't have enough. Gratitude says, I already have so much. Right now, you have a heart still beating for you, a mind capable of healing, a body that carries you through life every day. Blessings you once prayed for. You are living answered prayers. Gratitude turns struggle into strength, and chaos into clarity. Whisper, what I have is enough. Who I am is enough. In a world of social media, comparison has become constant and cruel. You see filtered lives, curated happiness, perfect smiles hiding private tears, posts showing success but never the sleepless nights behind it. Nothing online is the full story. So don't measure your worth against digital illusions. Today, choose presence over performance. Replace a few minutes of scrolling with a few minutes of breathing. Choose the life in front of you, not the images on a screen. The Buddha once told the story of the poisoned arrow. A man shot by an arrow refuses to remove it until he knows who shot it. What wood it's made of, where it came from. His questions delay his healing, and he dies. The lesson is simple. We lose our peace when we focus on what doesn't matter. When you obsess over others, their opinions, their progress, their lives, you ignore the wounds inside you that need care. Turn inward. Ask gently, what in me needs healing today? Give your energy to your own growth. Because peace does not come from outside. It doesn't come from success, fame, beauty, or approval. It comes from recognizing that you are already whole, already worthy, already enough. The Buddha said, peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. The moment you stop comparing, you discover your true nature. The moment you return to yourself, you return home. So breathe. Feel your own presence. Feel your own gentleness. Feel your own life. You have survived storms silently. You have grown in places no one noticed. You have risen from moments you thought would break you. And you are still here. Still learning. Still becoming. Inhale, I am enough. Exhale, I am home. Your path is sacred. Your pace is right. Your existence is a miracle. May you trust your journey. May you honor what you feel. May you choose what nourishes your soul. May you walk through life with presence and self-love. Stay present. Stay true. Stay you. My friend, if this message touched your heart, if even one sentence helped you breathe a little deeper, if you feel just a bit more hopeful, more grounded, more at peace, then please, don't keep this healing to yourself. Share this video with someone you love. Someone who also needs this softness today. Someone who might be silently fighting their own battles. And if you want more daily encouragement, prayers, and healing words, hit follow, so you never walk through another hard moment alone. You and I, we are building a space of peace here. A place where your heart can rest. A place where you can come home to yourself. So stay with me. Keep choosing hope. Keep choosing to heal. I'm proud of you. More than you know. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, breathe, believe, and be gentle with yourself.